Hey everyone, me Brandon here. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hit 1 million views and I'm gonna show it to you right now, so don't delay. That was 28 days. You over here, hit lifetime. Ready? Watch it. 1, 2, 3. Bam! 1 million views. Can you believe that? Guys, I mean, it's just mind-boggling to me. So I want to encourage you, there's the official number. 1,004,462 views just so far. So I want to make this video to show you guys how did I do that? How long did it take me? You know, what have I been doing? Tips and tricks. And hopefully you'll see in the playlist down in the description how to grow your YouTube channel. And I think I'm going to call it fast. So how to grow your YouTube channel fast. I've got lots of videos on how I got monetized. My income, I just posted a video on that. It's really good. It's about 13 minutes showing all the income. And then I'm going to do one on subscribers because, guys, I've gotten like 2,000 subscribers in a little over a month. So I want to show you what I'm doing. And there's the actual subscriber count. How it's working for me, tips, tricks. You know, this is live. This is real. This is October 26th, 2022. So, here's the 1 million views. So let me go in and show you guys. Just look at this screen right here. I did this with the income. Look at this, like 0 views, 0 views, 0 views. Now I posted you saw a couple of views in there, but like nobody's watching my channel for 5 years. It started in 2013. I was hiking the Appalachian Trail. I wanted to document my journey a little bit. You guys see a couple views in there, 3 or 4, and then you start to see some in May, March, you know, but nothing, right? So let's actually break it down so you guys can actually see. Sorry about the video. Once again, I am raw and real. If you haven't watched one of my videos, I am not an editor. I do not know how to do all the cool, quirky things that you can do on your computer and link it. I also do not have the time to do it because I have a 3-year-old and 1-year-old that I pretty much watch 24/7. And they're both sick this week. So anybody that's got kids or you want kids, it's hard to devote the time that you want to make a perfect video. You know, it's probably annoying that light's in there. Sorry, guys. You know, this is real life, and I want to show you guys real life, and the results are coming in. You know, this is the last 90 days. This is a good place probably to show you guys. So 90 days ago, I was doing good. Late July, you know, to get 873 views. Let's back it up a little bit farther. Let's do 365. You know, a year ago, I was getting 500 views, you know, 400 views, 600 views. Looks, you know, pretty decent. Yeah, looks like I was always in the 300 to 500 range. But you saw, I showed you the 100, you know, at a peak there. Something happened on that day. I got 1,200 views, but you might be able to see there's a tiny little mountain there. But then obviously you come over here and then look at this, guys. So, you know, the first part of the year up until July, really, and I would really say August, I felt like I really started trying to grow my channel. And just to be totally transparent, here's what was happening. My best video, which hopefully you've seen, sorry, my hand's wobbling. Forgive me, guys. My best video is on fixing a door lock. Started to get a lot of traction and a lot of watch time. And if you know, it's in the video how to get monetized on YouTube or whatever. You need the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours watch time. Well, I was real close to the watch time. I was like 3,500 or whatever, but my subscribers were at like 300. So I was like, how do I grow subscribers on YouTube? So it was around, the reason I'm telling you this is it was around here, July, early August, that I just started researching how do I get more subscribers, because I think I might get monetized. And just to be totally also transparent, I never had plans of getting monetized. I didn't really know what it was. I knew that you can make a little bit of income on YouTube. I just had no idea you can make, you know, hundreds of dollars, you know, thousands of dollars, millions of dollars. And just so you know, that's, I think, 32 days or something like that worth of income. So I hope that encourages you too. I'm averaging $3 to $5 a day. Depends. Some days I'll have a $7 day, other days I'll have a $2 day. So I think my dead average is like $3.50 a day. So anyway, but right around in late July, early August, I just started researching, and you can see I'm starting to jump to the thousands sometimes. I watched, and I don't have his link. Hopefully I'll figure it out and I'll put it in the comments. But there's a guy that posted a video like, if you're not on YouTube, if you're not making YouTube shorts, you're basically stupid. And basically he was like, if you want to grow your channel, get your views up, get your subscribers up, you know, and generate income in the long run. The thing I want to tell you guys, though, is YouTube Shorts, they do not count that watch time. Part of that's YouTube Short watch time. They don't count that towards your 4,000 hours, which really stinks because you get all these views, all the watch time. You think it's adding, it doesn't. It has to be from your long content. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that saves you some time, because that was a really nice piece of knowledge that I learned. And I know I'm just like a talking head to you and you're staring at a, you know, actually just a talking voice, you're staring at a computer screen, but I'm just trying to give you the facts of my process so you guys can know what I did and how it all went down. So I watched this video. He's like, YouTube Shorts. I'm not kidding, guys. I had no idea what a YouTube Short was. I had done a couple TikTok videos. You know, I didn't do Reels. I didn't do anything on Instagram or Facebook. I wasn't doing short content. You know, my shortest videos were like a minute long, 2 minutes long on YouTube. And so he says do shorts. And to be honest, I can't even remember my first YouTube short. I'm sure I could find it on here for you guys, but I don't want to waste time looking around. I think it was of a deer running around in my neighborhood, and I was like, look at the cute little deer or something. And it got like 1,000 views in like an hour or something like that. I just remember, like, to get, you know, 1,000 views. Here's the view count for today for the last 48 hours. You know, that would, you could see it was hovering around 400. I mean, look at, that's today, 18,000, you know, and divide it by 2. So it's, you know, 9,000 change. But I mean, not, so I'm averaging 400, 500, let's just say 500 views a day. To jump from 500 to almost 10,000, 9,000, you know, and some days he's way higher. Hopefully I'll show it to you guys. But I'm telling you guys, YouTube Shorts, post them, man. Just silly, stupid, funny videos have gotten me so many views. I mean, look at, this is in 365. I showed you lifetime. I have 1 million views. Just in the last year, 915,000 views, basically. Yeah, there's the actual number right there. Let's look at it even more. Look, let's look at the last 90 days. So remember that number, 900,000, basically. 1 million for lifetime. So basically there's 100,000 views in way back here, all the way to, you know, 2013. This is all, hopefully it's clear enough for you. This is all 2022. Let's go to the 90 day again. Look at that, almost 800,000 just in 90 days. So that means that first 9 months of the year was, what, not even, yeah, 100,000 views. A little bit more, 100, I don't know, 40,000 views. Hopefully I can do my math right. Anyway, guys, this is what I'm saying. I started posting, and you can see it. You can see the jump. Look at the, you know, I might have posted something there. I don't know why. Maybe one of you guys can explain. These are the videos that post. I've got videos posted down here, but they're not showing. So for whatever reason, they're there. But I started posting, and let's look at like August 12th. I definitely remember I was starting to do shorts around now. Look at this jump. So from 500, 400, you know, look, 1,200. You know, it's double. Then the next day, let's just go slow. 3,000. You know, I'm like, what? I mean, but look at this number today. I mean, it's like 3,000 is like a joke. 5,000 views in the next day. I mean, it just went up and up. 5,000 again. Now I'm starting to get more consistent. It's like, man, okay, I can get almost 5,000 views. 7,596. That's like today. You know, to go from 549 to 7,000, you know, 7,000 extra views a day, it blew my mind, guys. And then the subscribers came up. So I'm going to make a whole different video on how my subscribers, basically how I gained the subscribers in the last month, basically. But just to clarify, today is, and you can see it right there, October 26th. I hit the 1,000 watch time, the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours on September 19th. It was like a big thing. Hopefully you saw the videos. Like it went from $9.99 to $9.98 up to 1,000. Anyway, it was crazy. I got all on film. It was pretty funny. Go check out that short. I think I made a longer video of it too. Anyway, check it out. But guys, I know I'm a little long-winded, but you can hear the excitement because things are working, and that's why I want to show you guys. Like, look at the past year. You know, I was posting videos all in here. It's not showing them, but I was definitely posting videos. Not tons, but I probably posted 100 videos in the first part of the year, 2022. And look at, like, nothing really was happening. You know, okay, you got 500 views. And, you know, I was happy with 500 views. But then, like I said, I needed the subscribers and to get monetized, and I did it. Let's do a 28-day. So look, just even in the last 28 days, not to keep you guys, look at the views. So they're consistent. You could see that. Look at that, 12,000, 24,000. There's one I want to really show you guys. 21,000. Look at these peaks. 30,000. Let's go to these. 31,000 in a day, guys. That was like my whole year's worth of YouTube videos. Let's go back. Sorry, I keep going. Look at this one. This is crazy. 48,000 people viewed. And guys, that number, that video that went, it was like a silly bunny video. Have you seen the bunny? Can you see the bunny? Something like that. It got 40,000 views in like an hour, maybe 2 hours. But I got it all on video. It's in the playlist. Go check it out. It's amazing. I was blown away. But then this is something else I want to teach you guys, and I'm going to make another video about it, not to keep this one too long for you guys. A lot of my views are coming from different countries. And I would notice, man, I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, United States of America. In case you're from another country, welcome to the channel. So glad you're here. Say hi if you're reading my captions. I'm glad. Hopefully I don't talk too fast and you can read. But anyway, I saw that happen and I go, what in the world? And I went to my analytics and found out that people in India were going crazy that day on my video, the silly bunny video. And so the days where these peak, it's a lot of international audiences that are helping do that. So I just want to tell you, like, don't just appeal just to your Canadian viewers or your German viewers or, you know, wherever you're watching this, you're British or you're, you know, I don't know, whatever country you're in, American, you know, there's a lot of people in the world, and India has the largest population of people that watch YouTube. I can't remember the size, but it's crazy, like 500,000 people. And you got to think, you know, 1.2 billion people live there. Only 300 million people and change live in America. So you got a broader audience there. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to keep you, but those are my views. And, you know, it's been amazing. Like even just in the last week, you see some dips, but almost 100,000 views a week. Guys, I would dream of getting that. And I'm doing, there's your subscribers, you know, all the, you know, your income, your watch time hours. I haven't even gone into watch time hours. So I won't keep you on, but I'm just going to say, post YouTube shorts. Check out some of my YouTube shorts. Look at the ones that have the 40,000 views, the 20,000 views. Make videos like that. That's what people want to watch. They like it for whatever reason. They like animal videos. They like all kinds of silly videos, train videos. I posted some. And I will say, I'm working on developing my niche and finding out who I am, but I'm also experimenting. Oh, and this is another thing. I got to close with this. You don't miss this. YouTube shorts, you don't really generate hardly any income. Like you can monetize your shorts, but they don't really generate income, right? Your long-term content, your minutes that are your videos that are 2 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, they generate all your income. The little 15-second, 30-second shorts don't do it. So in 2023, YouTube is going to start paying you to put shorts and start, you know, if you're monetized, that's the key. You got to be monetized. So the requirement, it's a new one, is 10 million views in 90 days. Now that seems hard, but I just showed you guys I have 1 million views and most of them came in the last few months. So it can be done for sure. I'm not even there yet, but I hope to someday be there. Anyway, guys, my point is, start posting YouTube shorts. You will thank me later. I'm telling you, even if you just try silly, crazy, try 10 different types of shorts and just see what sticks. And try them at all different times too. I'll probably make a more detailed video at some point on the times that I post, 10 a.m. You want to be consistent. Are you posting at Monday at 10 a.m. every time? When did you post these? I am a smorgasbord of posting right now because I'm still trying to find, with only, just under 3,000 subscribers, I'm still trying to find my niche, find what I really want to do. I'm hoping that my channel grows into I love helping people save time and money, but I'm also loving teaching you guys how to grow a successful YouTube channel, how to grow a profitable YouTube channel, how to gain subscribers, how to. I love how to. So I'm going to keep doing that. So stay tuned. Look down in the playlist. Look at the videos, the best video that it's going to tell you to check, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. There's my face. Guys, I really appreciate you watching this. My goal is to help save you time, money, and learn from my mistakes. I know I said a lot in this video. I hope you go back over it. But listen to what I'm saying, because it's working. The results are working. I'll go back to it and close with this one more time. But look at this. 1 million views. 1 million people, or 1 million sets of eyeballs have been on my content, So just think about that. And the sky's the limit, guys. That number keeps going up. So watch the next video. I'm going to make it on the subscribers, how I got the basically 2,000 subscribers. Look at that. Look at all the subscribers. They're all in this last little chunk, just like all the other ones. The last chunk. The big jumps are in the last 3 months, guys. So I'm telling you, if you want to grow your channel, you can definitely do it. Stay tuned for more great content. Thanks so much for tuning in. Really appreciate you guys. Hit thumbs up, hit subscribe. If you hate these videos and you're like, man, the guy needs to edit better and stuff, send me some money. What are those, Patreon and all those other things where you can super like and stuff? Hey, you want me to do better quality stuff? I will buy the gear if you send me, the income needed to buy it. Deal? Sound good? I doubt any of you will do that, but if you do, hey, great. My family would appreciate it. So anyway, I won't toot that horn anymore. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hit subscribe and go for your dreams, guys. Go for 1 million subscribers. Go for a million views, 1 million subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. Whatever your goal is, you guys can hit it. Don't give up. Keep fighting, and I'll see you next time.